Hello everyone, we are Pet Choice, and this is our team. Guys, do know that over 80% of dogs will suffer from some dental disease during their lifetime, and it's roughly the same percentage of dogs who eat dry food. And moreover, almost 6% of dogs are overweight, and over half of dogs over the age of 10 will develop cancer. Unfortunately, many of our furry friends do not live past this age. As responsible pet owners, we all want our dog to live longer and healthier. It's actually starting with what we feed them. So we are Pet Choice, the revolutionary of dog food. Our vision is to customize fresh dog food for all ages, size, and breeds of dogs to replace traditional dog food, those highly processed brown balls, to the real fresh meat, vegetables, and fish oil without any food additives. We want to create a fresh dog food customization system for our consumer to customize the most suitable fresh dog food plan according to their different dog's needs and health conditions. After consumer place orders, we will take a subscription-based service and deliver customized fresh dog food on a weekly basis from the central kitchen to the consumer's dog doors directly by the cold chain transportation. And our company, Pet Choice, is committed to our environment responsibility. We'll only use biodegradable and eco-friendly material for our all packaging boxes and food containers.
There are few pet fresh food brands in Canada. According to our investigation, we only found one competitor, which is basically a blank market. In particular, there are no well-known pet fresh food brands with significant market shares in Canadian market. So we have great market potential. If we enter the market as soon as possible, we can occupy a larger market shares as soon as possible. As a brand enters the market at the early stage of this industry, we can spend less money and energy to complete the brand differentiation. Meanwhile, the subsequent brands to enter the market need to spend more money and energy to achieve brand differentiation with us. Since there is no outstanding pet fresh food with brand awareness in the market, we can take this opportunity to publish our brand, increase our brand recognition, and complete the brand differentiation. According to the survey, 68.1% of people think homemade fresh food is better for their pets, and 83% think fresh, healthy ingredients are better for their pets and are willing to pay a higher price for it. But only 12.8% made fresh pet food at home, and 8.5% customized fresh pet food online. If most people think it's better for pets to eat fresh food, why are not so many pets eating fresh food? One of the reasons is that, as we mentioned earlier, not many brands or suppliers in the market offers this service. But there are also the following reasons. The first one, time. It's time-consuming to do it by yourself. Second, knowledge. Lack of professional knowledge. Third, delivery on time and food still good is challenging. For many people, making fresh pet food is not convenient, and it takes time to purchase the ingredients, process the ingredients, and make them. Not every pet owner has the knowledge of nutrition and pathology when it comes to the nutritional ratio of the diet and the diet for dogs with underlying disease. And we will hire professional veterinarians and nutritionists to ensure that we have a professional team. The preservation and delivery in time of fresh food are very important. We need to ensure that we can deliver the food on time and not delay the schedule of pet owners. And we also need to ensure that the food will not deteriorate during the delivery process, because our food does not add preservatives. Therefore, we will cooperate with cold chain companies to deliver the food throughout the cold chain to ensure the quality of the food.
Our primary customer segment consists of pet parents who have dogs with specific health condition or dietary needs. These customers are looking for the dog food that can meet their pet's unique requirements, such as food for dogs with sensitive stomachs, allergies, or food for senior dogs. They are willing to pay a premium for high-quality dog food, and we are committed to delivering on this promise. Our team of veterinary nutritionists can create customized meal plan based on various factors such as age, weight, breed, activity level, and past feeding habit, ensuring that each dog receives the nutrition it needs to grow strong and healthy. For secondary customer segment, Pet Choice also caters to dog owners who prioritize sustainability and environmentally friendly products. By highlighting the eco-friendly aspect of our packaging and production practices, we can appeal to customers who are looking for the ways to reduce their environmental impact while still providing high-quality, healthy food for their pets. Finally, we also serve a tertiary customer segment of dog owners who prioritize convenience and ease of use. These customers are looking for the dog food that is easy to store, require minimal preparation, and is easy to serve to their dogs. By focusing on these customer segments, Pet Choice can tailor its marketing and product offerings to better serve the needs of our target audience and differentiate ourselves from competitors. Next, I would like to share our marketing strategy for promoting our fresh dog food products to our 3 customer segments. We believe that our products offer a unique value proposition that is well suited to the need of these segments, and we are excited to share our approach for reaching them effectively. According to our primary research, a significant majority of pet parents, which is about 56%, seek pet diet and health information from internet channels. And a smaller percentage, which is 21.9%, obtain this information from pet stores, while 20.5% rely on veterinarian for the guidance. So we plan to leverage a combination of online and offline channels to maximize our reach and engagement with our target audience. Online, we will be primarily focused on social media, with a strong emphasis on visual content and customer engagement. Our strategy will include showcasing our products through eye-catching and compelling visual content on platforms like Facebook and Instagram and other social media accounts. We will also encourage customers to share their experiences and reviews on these platforms, offering a special coupon for their next purchase as a reward. Additionally, we will leverage influencer marketing by collaborating with popular pet influencers on social media to promote our products. By working with influencers who have a large and engaged following, we aim to create brand awareness and increase our reach to potential customers. Offline, we plan to attend pet-related events and network with other professionals in the pet industry to build relationships and create opportunities for collaboration and cross-promotion. We believe that these efforts will help us to establish ourselves as a trusted and reputable brand within the pet food industry, as well as increase our visibility and reach to potential customers. What's next? Our pricing plans. We offer basic, standard, and advanced plans. According to our primary research, 58.7% of our target audience is willing to spend more than $200 each month on pet food. Therefore, we have priced our service accordingly with an average of $55 per week, $220 per month, and $28.60 per year for an annual subscription to offer our customers the best value for their money.
To provide a better picture of our new venture, we would like to discuss a summary of our finances forecast, including our break-even point and revenue growth rate with our potential investors. Let's take a look at the income statement. The Excel table shows the company revenue and expenses for the end of years 1 and 2. At the top, we have the company's revenue, the money earned from sales. Through our scientific assumption and calculation, we expect to get $688,116 in year 1 and around $1.53 million in year 2. Below that, we have the expenses, which include all fixed and variable costs like salaries, rent, and supplies. The company's net income or profit can be calculated by deducting the expenses from revenue. Now let's look at our break-even point and the revenue growth rate. We want to highlight some key financial metrics for our potential investors. If our capitalization were unlevered in the first year, Pet Choice potential cash earnings would be no profit so far. However, starting from the second year, we will begin to do a profitable business of $123,021, and according to our calculation, a break-even date would be May 2025, with a growth rate of 122.5% in the second year to start our business. To calculate our market size, we have used detailed analysis to identify the total number of our target audience, to estimate potential users who may have access to our website, and the conversion rate of consumers who may subscribe to our products and services. We use the top-down approach, in which we work from a micro and outside-in perspective towards a micro view. In our primary research, the starting point, the total available market, which would be target audience who own a dog in Ontario, and narrow down into serviceable available market, which would be who would be willing to buy premium wet dog food in 2025. And finally, for the serviceable obtainable market, we narrow it down by using the secondary research percentage of people who prefer to order customized fresh dog food online. In the end, we got potential buyers of 120,033 consumers in Ontario.
Meanwhile, we consider many selling details in our financial statement, including the consumer psychology, the demographic factor, and the seasonal weather. For instance, demand is gradually the highest in the fourth quarter of our first fiscal year due to the holiday sales season and the cold weather in Toronto. People feel lazy to go outdoor and feel more convenient to purchase the delivered pet food online. In our first 3 months, the Pet Choice needs to establish the trust with the consumer who tried our products for the first time. So the revenue in the first quarter is the least. Also, we predict that when the fresh food is easy to perishable in summer, it might reduce the shortage duration, thus leading to a decline in the consumer order volume. However, based on the loyal consumer establishment in the first year, there will be a steady flow of the consumer to buy our products in the second year. As a result, this seasonality and variation in consumer spending habit, we will experience a fluctuation in the net sales at the first year, but we will gradually to have the steady net sales in the following years. To make everything come true, we need to raise capital from the limited partner and the outside investor. We plan to have our first seed rounds funding in September 2023, followed by 3 series of funding rounds. We aim to raise $0.4 million for our seed funding to cover all the expenses to start our business, which including the equipment, payroll, R&D expense, and etc. At the seed funding stage, we only offer investment opportunity to the current 6 business partners and their families or friends and other business angels. To better construct our equity structure, we use the slicing pie method to split the number of shares to our business partner and angels. We expect to issue 60% of our total member shares in the seed funding stage to outside investor and 40 to our 6 business partner, which will be 4,000 per share. We will contact the angel investors such as the York Angel, the Golden Triangle Network, Maple Leaf Angel, and the Angel One to seek their contribution to our business. We believe the high gross profit margin of 60% and the rapid growth of the first 5 years revenue will help us to attract the angel investor, especially those economic investors who care mostly about their returns on the investment. As we continue to grow, we believe our increased scale will provide us with even greater access to the brand's name and close our products as the major manufacturers seek for a single buyer to acquire an exclusive deal. So that's basically all for our pitch to our business, which is the pet choice. And thanks for listening.